What if I told you that you can create high CTR YouTube thumbnails in seconds without Photoshop, without design skills, and without wasting hours testing ideas? Because that's exactly what I tested today. This tool called Thumbs.ai uses AI to generate YouTube thumbnails, shorts covers, and viral style visuals instantly. Instead of guessing what works, you can quickly create multiple thumbnail variations and pick the one with the highest click potential. And if you are a YouTuber, you already know this simple truth. Even the best video fails if the thumbnail doesn't get clicks. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Thumbs.ai to generate real thumbnails, test different styles, and improve click-through rate in just a few minutes. Let's see if it actually works. To create your first thumbnail, go to Thumbs.ai. If you don't have an account, just create an account and log in. New users receive 20 free credits upon signing up, equivalent to 10 thumbnail generation. After launching their first generation task, users receive an additional 10 free credits equivalent to 5 more credits. In my case, I created all these thumbnails with the help of this Thumbs.ai tool. Look how stunning they are. Let's come to the real point where we're gonna explore this tool with the help of all the AI tools. You can use these faces or any other AI face. The real important thing is here, create a thumbnail. So here you will see two tabs. The first one is text to thumbnail and the other one is image to thumbnail. So let's talk about text to thumbnail first. Here you can describe your video, whatever the video is about, and then you can design the thumbnail accordingly. You can take help from ChatGPT, Gemini, or DeepSeek, or any other AI tool. I will use all of them to test how it works with different tools. First we gotta open Gemini, then DeepSeek, and then we gotta try this prompt by ChatGPT. I gotta give a random prompt to DeepSeek first, and here it is. Now let's wait. It has generated a prompt for me. I simply copy this prompt. Now go to create a thumbnail and paste this prompt here. If you wanna use your face, you can use your face, which we uploaded here. I don't wanna use my face. You can choose the style here. You can also have your own style, where you can upload your YouTube channel link, upload thumbnail, or YouTube video link. That's pretty awesome. I select all. Then you can choose aspect ratio. If you are having a long form video, then you can choose 16:9, and if you're having a YouTube short, then you can choose 9:16. So I gotta go for a long form video. Now I need to see how many variations I need. I need 2 thumbnails, 1 thumbnail, or 3 thumbnails. So this prompt is from DeepSeek, so we gotta try DeepSeek prompt first. We gotta choose only one variant, and prompt is already here. We need to click on generate thumbnail. Now it's generating, and we gotta open this in a new tab. Thumbs.ai again, log in, go to create thumbs, and this time I gotta try ChatGPT prompt, which is here. Paste the prompt here. I don't need my face, aspect ratio 16:9, and the same settings are there. Need to click on generate thumbnail. While Thumbs.ai is generating, we need to go to Gemini and try which one is working the best. I give the same prompt to Gemini and get an AI prompt to generate this thumbnail. Let's see what comes. So here is the prompt by Gemini. Copy it, open a new tab, and Thumbs.ai again. Log in again, go to create thumbnail, and here paste the prompt. All the settings are same, go to generate thumbnail. Now look at the results. The first one is the prompt by DeepSeek, second one is by ChatGPT, this one is by Google Gemini, and here we got 3 different thumbnails. If you bring your mouse cursor here, you will see the scores. Above 70 is good, and below 70 needs some improvements. You can directly download this thumbnail and it will be downloaded to your gallery. Here you can have use for thumbs creation. You can upload this picture and describe it here and regenerate this picture as well. And if you want to recreate directly here, you can regenerate this thumbnail and it will regenerate and give you another version of the thumbnail. If you want to reuse this thumbnail, then click on this button and you can reuse this thumbnail here as well. You can see I have 770 credits left, so one thumbnail will take 2 credits only. In this thumbnail example, you can see that my face is clearly visible, but I did some tweaks in Adobe Photoshop. Once the thumbnail is downloaded, you can open Adobe Photoshop or Canva or any other thumbnail making software. Create a canvas 1920 by 1080 or 1280 by 720 and go to create, go to file, place embedded, Open the thumbnail, you want to have some tweaks, and here you can make some sort of changes if you want to add more text or want to make it look better, but that is not even necessary. Now you can see it has created another thumbnail which is really awesome. You can use it directly to your YouTube video. So now let's come to the most easiest way, creating a thumbnail from existing YouTube video. If you like the design, just go to image to thumbnail, and here you can drag your own pictures like so. But if you want to have a thumbnail similar to another existing YouTube thumbnail, then you can choose the option thumbnail from YouTube video link. Here I went to the YouTube and asked AI thumbnails, and here is one of the YouTube thumbnails. I simply need to go and copy the link. Now click on this option and paste this link here and grab the thumbnail. Once the thumbnail is grabbed to this website, describe the way you want to manipulate this thumbnail by entering the prompt here. Now, if you want to show your face, you can add your face here. Let's say this is what I want to add, and this time I need 3 variants instead of just 1 and 2, and click on generate thumbnail. Let's see what Thumbs.ai comes with. And by the way, I created this thumbnail as well, and the score is still 56, and here you can see lots of different thumbnails I recently made, and the score is 73 and 76. That means I don't need to tweak so many settings. This thumbnail is pretty good and ready to be uploaded. Wow, look at this thumbnail. It has already created, and this one as well, and this one as well. It tweaked my face so much, but thumbnail really looks awesome. And this thumbnail has 77 score, this one has 62, and this one has 60. So you can choose which one you need to upload and which one you need to tweak more or regenerate. I'm okay with this thumbnail. I want to let you know that you can upload your own face instead of an AI image. Just go to My Face and Emotions. You can choose from the list of the faces available: angry, scream, hype, shocked, sad, think, wink, and many more expressions are there. Go to Upload section, choose the pictures you want to upload. Now the picture has been uploaded. I can rename this section a thick number 3. And now I can choose the expression for this particular picture. I can choose surprise and then generate. Oh, look at the picture. What AI has done. You can upload as many as you want. As you can see, this is the quality required. And furthermore, you can explore here and use any existing template, describe the same way, and it will generate thumbnails for you. If you want to explore more, links are in the description. Go ahead and choose this AI tool to create your thumbnails, no matter you're creating shorts or long form video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.